Dear Tanushri, sorry, Miss Tanushri, I don't know how to pronounce your name correctly. I just loaded your project in Visual Studio 2015 and I built it. I have this error message. This means multiply again, .c, fatal error cannot include GMPH. This means in this file we cannot include GMP, this header file. This is very likely. If you have such error message, that means the path is not properly opened. You haven't set these settings. Here, right click, properties. This is debug Win x64. You haven't set any path here. I will show you again. Right click, properties, configuration, C++. Here you have to say all configuration, Win x64. You have to set these things as I explained in my previous YouTube video. Here include, click it, edit, click it, MPIR, DIR, INT, DIR. So if you put enter, then it will be resolved like this line. This line expands to this line like this, and you add one more, MPIR, no, MPFR, DIR, INT, DIR, and it will be expanded like this. Then we made the type here, $. See how I fix. If you forgot the macro, you have to repeat this. You have to repeat this here. You see all macro definitions. These are macro definitions. Here we add one more, MP FR CPP. If you are using just C, you don't need this. Like this. Then it will be expanded. Now we are changing order. We will put it down like this. It will be moved down. And we will put MPIR previously like this. You have to do this. And again here, reference, here library. You have to do the same. No. Here. Add MPIR, DIR, $INT, DIR, int. Then it will be this. Let's check. We have to check this folder. MPIR, DLL, x64, debug. Okay, it has lib files, lib file. And once again, MPFR, DIR, INT, DIR. So let's see. MPFR, DLL, x64. Right, correct. And one more. MPFR CPP DIR. And okay, see, we can check MPFR DLL, MPFR DLL. Here we only need header file. We actually don't need this. I will remove this. And MPIR like this. Okay. Here again, if you are not using C++, you don't need this. Sorry. So okay. Now I apply. Okay. Now let's run. Control F5. It's debugging build. So you have to copy the MPIR dir. We have to copy this file. We need another settings. Here, build event. First build event, command line. We are copying DLL like this. Copy. Put quote MPIR dir dollar int dir dollar, then MPIR DLL. Here quote target dir. Here MPIR DLL like this. We are copying this file to this folder. Okay. And we need to copy another one. Copy. I will just copy and paste. Here. FR. Okay. Save it. Okay. Apply. Now run. Control F5. This file is not found. Let's see. Here. MPIR MPIR DLL x32 debug MPIR DLL. We found it. So this is correct path. MPIR. And project X, let's check this. Project No, this is D drive. Project X here. Debug MPIR. It is copied properly. No, he made a mistake here. Here. It's MPFR. FR. Okay. Let's run it. Okay, it's success. We fixed the error. Here you can say INTC get health like this. See, it's working. Now enter. So you have forgot settings this. You have to set this. Also you have to set this. Oh, this is for Win x64-bit configuration. Please watch this video once again. Hello, my INTDIR is debug. Okay, so you can refer your macro always. Okay, so like this you can look up your macro. So click OK. So we have to set Win32. You have to watch this video very carefully to understand. Okay, I will put the link here. Click this link, control click, then you can watch this video. It gives you details how to use. Hi, my name is. This video actually explains everything.